Welcome back to Patriotic Creations. Today I'm going to be decorating my kitchen table for the 4th of July. We have some friends that are coming over that are going to stay with us through the July 4th weekend, so I'm going to decorate my table all festive for July 4th. Okay, the items that I'm going to be using is this burlap, which I got at the Dollar Tree. It was just a roll of this red burlap. It's real rough looking, which is what I wanted. And then I'm going to be using these tumbling tower game blocks. I'm going to be using 3 smooth side ball jars. I got 3 of those. I got glue sticks and a glue gun. And then I'm going to be using 2 of these. This one. And then this one. Okay, so for the first project, I'm going to get my ball jars. And I'm going to turn you down a smidgen so you can see what I am doing. That's not what I wanted you to do. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to get the ball jars. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just peel off this ribbon, which it comes off super easy, as you can see. And then I'm just going to put the ribbon to the side. Okay, so I'm going to just set those stars over to the side for a second. I'm going to get my ball jar. And then I'm just going to wrap the jar in burlap, just like that. Go ahead and take the lid off. Okay, so I'll get my scissors. Okay. Okay, so I've got that. Then I'm going to take one of my stars and I'm going to see where it lands on the table, and then I'm just going to hot glue it. So this will be the back and this will be the front. Okay. Okay, so that's what I have so far. So I'm going to take the same, cut off my glue sticks, glue strings. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing for this jar. Okay, just put a line of glue, stick my ribbon to it, and then bring it around. Hot glue my ribbon down, and then I want to hot glue my star, just like that. Okay, so I got my red one. Then I'm going to do the same thing for this last one, and I'm going to be using my white star. Okay, so now I have my red white, and blue jars ready. Okay, so I'm going to set those to the side. Now I'm going to get my towering blocks, open them up. Okay, I'm going to take this one and do the same thing. I'm going to peel off these stars. Okay, and I'm going to use the blue and white and the red and white stars. Okay, so I'm going to be making a napkin holder. So I need enough blocks glued to each other. Okay, now you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I got my towering blocks all lined up, and then I'm going to glue them like this to make a napkin holder. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here, and I'm going to glue that to this one. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's good. So I'm going to put another layer on top of this to make it plenty sturdy. Okay, so I got 2 stacked blocks. Then I'm going to put glue on the bottom side of this star, and then I'm just going to glue it on. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this one. Put some glue on the bottom side of this star. And I'm just going to glue it on. Okay, and there's my little napkin holder. I'll put the napkins right down in there. And it makes a little festive napkin holder for the 4th of July. So now I'm going to decorate my table with all these things and show you how it turned out.